go. Let's wear my face mask. And the important is you need to wear face shield. Yeah, if you don't have any face shield, they will not allow you to go to mall. So you need to buy face shield and mask. Let's go. So let's go, guys. So finally, guys, I'm here now in Jeep, one of the example of public transportation here in the Philippines. So I will give you some idea what it looks like. So later I will try the tricycle and one of the example of the public transportation here in the Philippines. So let's go. So guys, now I will go to Megamall and I will use some of public transportation in the Philippines, the tricycle. Crossing lang po. Crossing. So this is the inside in the tricycle. So just only one and I will go now in the mall. See you soon. Yeah, so guys, I'm done riding a tricycle, so we will go to mall now. Let's go. So currently, guys, I'm here now in Megamall. So as you can see, this one. So this is one of the biggest mall here in the Philippines. So we will go now inside. Let's see what we can see. Let's go. As you can see, guys, there's a lot of people here in the mall because it's probably Sunday and it's a rest day for everyone, no work, and it's good here because it helps you to run your stress and all your stress gone. But as you can see, the arcade thing is closed. Because we practice social distancing.